Hello, this is Carrie Marie Schneider's video. I make work about space of Houston, the house I grew up in. It can also be political space. I tend to do a lot of work bringing people together and hosting big public events. I believe incredibly much so in the power of the imagination. A lot of my work has responded to creating speculative possible futures and landscapes. But no matter what, I usually take a research strategy, which a recent project was making this public ceremony where people could kind of create a weather system or a hurricane at handbath scale. They would use different symbolic objects in this sort of disco fish tank glass bottom cauldron, which was videoed from below. I'm interested in the way that artists can reassociate symbolic meanings in a way that parallels how our neurology is set up. Even if at a miniature scale, we can still sort of insert an alternative into our imagination that deals with the actual and the dream landscape. So I, like many of my projects, tried to tour it around to a lot of different areas so that not just one group of people has access to art. So we would do it in different city council districts. People would help one another. So these are two people who don't know each other, but they're helping each other to create these dreamscape waterscapes. Next project, so I'm just going to show some social media snippets, but as you can see, the sort of idea of this table that would raise and lower for accessibility also got brought into the idea of a raising and lowering screen. People couldn't touch or use the same water during COVID, but I still wanted to play with the abstract relationships and what our point of view does to feelings of being small or big or immersed in a landscape or towering over it. It's really important to me to get to play with different points of view and give people just an immersive somatic sensory experience.